Hello guys, in this video we are going to create an AI emoji on iOS 18. So this is the new feature in your iOS 18, 18.2, available to only iPhone 15 and 16 series because those are the only phones that have Apple Intelligence. So if you don't have those phones, you're not going to get it basically. So you must have been updated to 18.2 and above and you can create one. So from there, you'll be able to tap onto your emojis in the bottom left corner right here. And then from there, top right corner, you're gonna find this emoji right here and then you'll be able to create a Genmoji. So type in what you want. So let's say rainbow cactus right here. It's gonna generate it with ChatGPT integration, and now it's done. You can add it to your Genmoji, and then you can swipe through the Genmojis that you have made in the past, so that you'll be able to save it into your own reference stickers. So now you have created an AI Genmoji in iOS 18, and it's really just that simple. So if you want one in Mac, I'll teach you that in a sooner video to come. So there you go, guys. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.